Geotechnical challenges exist on every HDD job. The range and complex nature of the subsurface geology requires site-specific engineered drilling fluid programs. These challenges led Trenchless Fluid Systems to develop our EnerSeal HDD solution. Designed and developed in-house, EnerSeal is a patented, environmentally friendly system that improves hole conditions with less water and less waste while ensuring minimal risk. EnerSeal HDD operates by selectively changing the electrostatic charge of clay particles, and by doing this, the interaction between oppositely charged clay creates a highly thixotropic fluid. EnerSeal HDD forms solid-like properties. This occurs when pumps are off during connections, or pressure is lost to the formation. As the resistance to flow increases, the clay particles electrostatically align to create a three-dimensional structure. However, this structure is easily broken when pumping begins, turning EnerSeal HDD into a low-viscosity fluid once again. This change occurs with very little energy when compared to conventional gel slurries. EnerSeal HDD's suspension properties are extremely efficient, which result in a plug-flow fluid regime. This allows the profile of the fluid to move evenly across the annulus, resulting in a superior hole cleaning ability and better drilling conditions. When drilling with a conventional gel slurry, cutting beds can begin to form, and if allowed to increase, these cutting beds can restrict flow and eventually plug the annulus, causing the overburden pressure to be exceeded, which may result in a loss of circulation, inadvertent environmental release, and costly downtime. EnerSeal HDD's incredible suspension properties minimize cutting beds from forming, and along with good drilling practice, can help prevent the formation of mud rings. As pumps are turned on and off, there are minimal solids settling between connections, as EnerSeal HDD keeps the cuttings in stasis and prevents harmful cutting beds from forming in the first place. The unique rheology of EnerSeal HDD is particularly suited for difficult-to-drill, unconsolidated formations and larger bore hole sizes. As hole size increases, the annular velocity decreases, which negatively affects hole cleaning and hole conditions. EnerSeal HDD's rheological profile cleans these large diameter bore holes and keeps operations running smoothly. With changing hole conditions, unexpected geology is often encountered. Our on-site specialists can change the rheology of the fluid rapidly, and given the simplicity of our system, within 1 or 2 circulations, we can change the fluid properties, solving our clients' changing downhole situations in real time. In HDD operations, inadvertent environmental releases can be common and can occur when annular pressures exceed the formation pressure or overburden pressure, and when the path of least resistance becomes the path to surface. Generally, with conventional gel slurries, severe releases require significant amounts of LCM to aid in healing. As fluid migrates or is forced into fractures, the fluid will continue to flow. With EnerSeal HDD, as fluid moves into fractures or rubble zones and moves away from the annulus, shear on the fluid is reduced and a resistance to flow increases. At this point, our system begins to set up, creating its solid-like structure and allowing the path of least resistance to be the annulus. This ensures our clients can resume drilling, and unwanted environmental releases are minimized or eliminated. With significant reductions in water used and waste created, combined with better drilling conditions and a reduced risk to the environment, Trenchless Fluid Systems has added a true game-changer in the HDD industry. EnerSeal HDD was designed for greater success in the industry's most difficult and challenging conditions.